Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we discussed history of Maharashtra and location and geographical area of Maharashtra. Now, today we are learn administrative divisions of Maharashtra. Administrative divisions of Maharashtra. Maharashtra came into existence on 1st May 1960, initially with 26 districts and 4 administrative divisions such as Mumbai, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Pune. Mumbai is capital and Nagpur is second capital as well as winter capital of Maharashtra state. And hence at present there are 36 districts in the state of Maharashtra. These 36 districts consist 357 tahsils and 43,665 villages. Out of total village, 40,000 villages are inhabited. These districts are grouped into 6 administrative divisions. They are Konkan, Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad, Amravati and Nagpur. तर जेव्हा महाराष्ट्र वेगळा झाला किंवा महाराष्ट्र राज्याची स्थापना झाली त्यावेळेस महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे की 26 जिल्हे आणि 4 ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह डिव्हिजन्स होते, मुंबई, नागपूर, औरंगाबाद आणि पुणे. यानंतर आताच्या सध्याच्या कंडिशनमध्ये आपण जर बघितलं तर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये 36 जिल्हे आहेत आणि 6 प्रशासकीय विभाग किंवा ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह डिव्हिजन्स आपल्याला बघायला मिळतील. तर आपण जर हा मॅप बघितला तर या मॅपमध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येईल की 6 ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह डिव्हिजन्स महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येतील. In this map, red color areas, Konkan divisions, these divisions Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri area covered. This administrative divisions is known as Mumbai division. It comprises the Konkan region which occupies the inter-west coast of Maharashtra. Mumbai suburban, Palghar, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg are included in this division. Its administrative divisions headquarters is Mumbai suburban and Mumbai city is located in this map. Mumbai city is headquarters. This division has 30,000 square kilometer geographical area covered. Now second division is Pune division. Pune division is one of the 6 administrative divisions of Maharashtra state. Pune is headquarters of this division and include 5 districts of western Maharashtra. They are Pune, Satara, Solapur, Sangli, and Kolhapur. Its total geographical area is 58,268 square kilometer area. And next divisions, Nashik division. This map pink color divisions is Nashik division. Nashik division covers 4 districts of Khandesh, namely Jalgaon, Nandurbar, Nashik, and Ahmednagar. East total geographical area covered 57,246 square kilometer area. As far as geographical area, Ahmednagar is the largest district in Maharashtra. It is very important. Ahmednagar is largest district in Maharashtra. This administrative division's headquarters is Nashik. Nashik city. Nashik is called wine capital of India. Nashik is called wine capital of India. So Nashik division is very important divisions in Maharashtra districts. Now next division is Aurangabad divisions. Orange color area covered Aurangabad divisions in this map. Aurangabad is the largest administrative divisions including 8 districts. This division is also known as Marathwada division. It include Aurangabad, Nanded, Jalna, Parbhani, Latur, Hingoli, Beed, and Usmanabad. This administrative division's headquarters is Aurangabad. It has 64,811 square kilometer geographical area covered these divisions. Next division is Amravati division. Green color area covered Amravati divisions. It occupies western part of Vidarbha. Amravati, Akola, Wasim, Yavatmal and Buldhana districts are included in these divisions. Amravati is the headquarters of these administrative divisions. It covers an area of 46,090 square kilometer. It is called as Vidarbha division. Next is Nagpur division. In this map, yellow color show Nagpur division. Nagpur divisions cover 6 districts which are eastern part of Maharashtra. The districts are Nagpur, Bhandara, Wardha, Gondia, Chandrapur, and Gadchiroli. It has 51,336 square kilometer area, and its headquarters at Nagpur. Nagpur city. Nagpur is second capital of Maharashtra. You know. So 6 administrative divisions is very important in Maharashtra. See this map. आपण जर हा नकाशा बघितला तर यामध्ये आपल्याला महाराष्ट्रातील 6 प्रादेशिक विभाग स्पष्टपणे आपल्याला दिसून येतील. तर हा जुना मॅप असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी पश्चिम महाराष्ट्र जो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये नाशिक डिव्हिजन जो आहे, नाशिक डिव्हिजन याच्यामध्ये दाखवलेलं नाही. तर नाशिक डिव्हिजन आपल्याला उत्तरेकडील साईडला जर बघितलं आपण पश्चिम महाराष्ट्रामध्ये तर नाशिक डिव्हिजन्स आपल्याला दिसून येईल. त्याच्यामुळे अतिशय महत्त्वाचे हे आपल्याला प्रादेशिक विभाग बघायला मिळतील. तर या प्रादेशिक विभागामध्ये आपल्याला सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे 6 प्रादेशिक विभाग आणि त्यांचे असणारे हेडक्वार्टर हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. परीक्षेच्या दृष्टिकोनातून लक्षात ठेवायचे आहे की त्यांचे हेडक्वार्टर कोणते आहेत आणि प्रादेशिक विभाग कोणते आहेत, आणि यामध्ये त्या प्रादेशिक विभागामध्ये असणारे जिल्हे हे सुद्धा अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. हा जर मॅप बघितला आपण तर स्वतंत्र प्रादेशिक विभाग यामध्ये आपल्याला दाखवलेले दिसून येतील. याच्यामध्ये बघा हा पहिला मुंबई विभाग आहे, त्यानंतर पुणे डिव्हिजन, त्याकडे नाशिक, नागपूर डिव्हिजन, औरंगाबाद डिव्हिजन, and last Nashik division. This map share with you by notes. Okay, thank you. Any question and queries, please contact me WhatsApp.